G'day guys, little Jonah wanted to make a YouTube video today. So yesterday
we had a big breakdown, right?
we had a breakdown and it was quite severe. So Jonah was at full acceleration.
Yeah, because there was a little hill.
There was a little hill and then he had a sudden lock-up of the chain which resulted...
So I hit the brakes, then I was running to you.
He hit the brakes.
I was running back, then I went on my bike, and then there was a little bit in the grass, so I put it whole bike on the tile, not even one little bit on the grass, but it was like not, so how it was, I was pedaling, but it was not moving.
He's so cute. So basically what happened was, and he actually worked it out, as I said in my video yesterday, he's the mechanic in the family. He said something's come loose. So what happened was one of these nuts came loose in conjunction with the second lock nut. And like anything, it was a factor of things.
And I said maybe the chain was, something was loose.
So the chain comes off. So number one to realise, guys, this is an adjustment.
And even step two, the chain flew away.
So the chain ran away and got jammed, and
What do you mean? The wind, it got loose and it flew.
yeah. So now just
Really high, maybe up to the clouds.
maybe up to the clouds. So why we're making this video is that Jonah wanted to, but also you can over adjust the chain. So basically, Jonah's pulled this off by himself. Believe it or not, he has. So basically, this is the chain guard, right? So you
Put it back on now.
you loosen the small screws that take the chain guard and remove this. Now, these are the lock nuts inside. You can see the faces are made to lock, okay? So they go on first, and then afterwards, this goes on
Like
with the training wheel, right?
This is the training wheel.
So number one is to check for loose training wheels, and that will be the first sign before the failure. Now turn the bike upside down, remove the small screws. Where's the other ones?
And
Here.
I put and I flipped the bike over when you went looking.
And basically what you do is you bring these in, okay? Now, the thing is here is that the chain guard goes on first. So this is where it all goes wrong, right? But one note to make here is that you can over adjust the chain, okay? So when the chain's over adjusted, it's not a smooth thing, okay? Now, the rule with rubber belts is that in cars you twist them halfway or just under, like I show you guys. But with this chain, just use some feel. You know, you're going to need a lot more free play than you'd expect. So now, Jonah, Now, I'm going to hold this. Now, you slowly turn the bike, slowly turn it. I'm going to try and show them what happens when it's tight. The other way. Go. Yep. Keep turning it. Okay, now, if I was to close those bolts in the tightened position, you get this cluck, as it's not allowing the chain to sit nicely, only if it's too tight. So that's why we're making the video. Make sure you don't over tighten the chain. And obviously the chain is now run in.
Everyone knows not to make it too tight.
Yep.
In case it breaks.
Yep, and you know, make sure your tires are at the right pressure.
And even if it flies off. And, like the chain did off my bike.
Yeah, and you don't want too much grease and stuff here because it picks up a lot of dirt. So that's how that works. Usually the brakes here and all that are fairly maintenance free. You don't want to over tighten this either because in a big pothole, this can snap off, which happens on mountain bikes a lot. So, yeah, bikes need maintenance more than cars. Bikes definitely need shorter service intervals than cars. I can tell you that right now.
And it was harder.
Yeah. Also, if your chain's hitting like that, which I've had a lot on my bikes, you know that you're going to be up for trouble. Yeah.
Like when we were at the oval, it happened, and we were trying to fix it outside with no tools. But I had an idea to go upstairs after, and we could have a test at the oval. But
Yeah.
then you said the whole chain will break.
You can see here a security device, a stabilization sort of device here, which old bikes never used to have that years ago. Oops, sorry guys, I'm not doing a good job filming. You can see where they've even pushed this down so the user doesn't tamper with that screw, but that does not hold it in position. So yeah, this is really dodgy, this thing, but it's good enough. It's good enough if you maintain it. So it nearly went very, very wrong here, and then people throw the bike out. Anyway, hope that helps. Say thank you guys for...
Thank you guys. If you want more of this bike video, subscribe.
Where'd you learn to say subscribe? Oh my goodness. Oh, because of Ryan's toy review. So, yeah, we don't really have any interest, but I don't really allow it much anymore, but Ryan's toy reviews, they're just this family like us, and they've got They've got 9 million subscribers, so now all they do is eat McDonald's on there because McDonald's pays them all this money. Now, just before we go, this is Jonah's ramp. This is Jonah's takeoff ramp for his little radio control four-wheel drive buggy. We've got to mention Subarus. So it's four-wheel drive, and the battery's flat now, but these are from J-Car. They're awesome. And it just shows you four-wheel drive. This thing just goes over anything and flips over and stuff. It's really good quality. J-Car is the best for all that sort of stuff.
Can I show them how it works?
Yeah.
With this
Yeah.
stuff? But I'm not gonna let go of it because I wanna hold it. But it's really good because when I do that, it just flips.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna do that, and I'm gonna put the rest.
Anyway, guys, have a great day. We need to get a roll.
Goes up, then just flips that way, but so this is going up, there, that,
Hey, we could do a Ryan's toy review and have 9 million subscribers.
then knock down, then down, and that's the end.
And that's the end. Welcome to Ryan's toy review. And then they eat McDonald's the whole time and they like basically spitting it out, but shocking. We have no interest.
I'll show you how it
We have no interest in money. We have no interest in having subscribers.
Then on the remote control, and it just goes like that.
Yeah.
But it actually doesn't do a real flip, because this is how it goes. Onto the black side.
Yep.
On the black side, goes back onto the red side, but it's meant to go up, knocks the box down, then it goes down the ramp. But when the full drive is not enough power, because it just goes like this. On one side, it just
Thanks for watching.
two goes.
Thanks for watching. My battery's very low. My battery's very low.
I press both.
Yeah.
But I try it like this.
Great video, guys. Say thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Finish the video.
Hope that helps with the bike. And that's every bike. Keep your screws tight.
It nearly went like that. So there was like one wheel up there. But then it was like
He's got quite creative doing all this. Just remember to tighten your central bolt above here so the handlebars don't come loose as well. And pedals come loose. These come loose. They're usually always imperial sizes, but you'll need a thin... See, something like that will never go in there, I don't think, or maybe, but you need a thinner profile.
The battery's getting loose.
Yeah, I know. My battery's low. Okay, guys, bye.